What's the meaning of Cape Canaveral? Cape Canaveral. Cape Canaveral.
Cape Canaveral. Cape Canaveral. Cape Canaveral is a geographical location in Florida, United States. It is known for its association with space exploration, as it is the site of the Kennedy Space Center and numerous space launch facilities. The name Cape Canaveral comes from the Spanish phrase Cabo Canaveral, which means Cape of Canes. The name references the thick covering of sawgrass that once dominated the area. Today, Cape Canaveral serves as a hub for NASA's space program, and continues to play a pivotal role in the exploration and study of our universe.